Focus. Everybody now with a selfie, with a phone, they're taking selfies of themselves, but they're not taking a real clear picture of themselves. And I could do that. New York City. I'm born and raised here. I use a 1940 speed graphic camera, and people associate this camera with something old before most of them were born. And to dress up to complement the camera is my style. And my photography reflects on what I do personality-wise, how I interact with people, how I photograph them, how I listen to them, try to get the feelings into my picture. Self-portrait is a selfie, multi-exposure. This is called dragging the shutter, slow shutter speed. It's double exposure I did in Puerto Rico, some of my 4x5 speed graphic collection. During the summer months, I start early in the morning, sometime in Harlem, sometime in Midtown. Pack of film, FC100. The thing about not able to shoot any more film, it's like going to bed and not waking up. The beauty of instant photography, be able to see the image within a few minutes of taking the picture. Physical image, not electronic image. And most people in the digital age have not had a Polaroid or instant picture taken of themselves.
That is awesome.
So they're amazed at the fact that, ooh, I could get this right now and see it. And that's quite exciting for me to see that all the time. Why do I take pictures every day? It's like, why do I breathe every day? I love life. I love people. I like taking pictures, recording people's expressions, feelings, emotions. I give them one shot, the way I feel at that moment. And I hope that they like what I produce. That's why I do it.